Yes, guys. Today we are discussing MCQs part in first year class. So we have different types of MCQs. We are discussing one MCQs for first year class, composition base. For composition base, we have 3 books of English. One we have poem section, 11 poems. Then we have a prose section, 14 chapters, and we have 2 plays. If we discuss about syllabus reductions, so we have limited syllabus. We have only 6 poems and 7 chapters and 1 play. So composition base means these chapters have been composed by these authors. This poem was composed or written by this poet, and we have one drama. This drama was composed by. So we are discussing this idea. One is such as Lucifer. It was composed by a poet of nature. Number next is the twice Coventry Patmore, and then we have a number of list of the poems. So these all are the 6 poems. 6 poems composed by these poets. So first and the most important, and it's quite easy for you to comprehend yourself, composition based MCQs poem section. These poems composed by these poets. Similar situation we have these all are the chapters, and these chapters were written by the author. In number of cases we do not have author, they were not mentioned. So option is not mentioned. My bank account, UNO, Pakistan, the Voice of Son of Chris, Birmingham, English language, they all are the simple and easy chapters. So if we discuss about apart from the reduction syllabus, we have 14 chapters. But right now we have only 7 chapters. 7 chapters composed by, we have names of the authors. You will just keep in your mind this idea. And then we have one play, The Count's Image. The Count's Image was composed by English dramatist J.H. Walsh, and it was taken from the French novel. The name of the novel was The Count of Monte Cristo. The Count of Monte Cristo, Alexander Dumas we have. In Alexander we have ER and RE. So here we have to write down RE. So number second types of MCQs is statement based. Whether they are statements from the chapters, or we have dialogues, we have poetic words. So we have 3 different categories. One of them is you are free to go to your temple. So these all are the statements. These statements are spoken by the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam. It's quite easy for you to comprehend. In some situation we have a missing word. At the end of the statement, one word is missing, and you have to fill the word with 3 and 4 options. So these all are the statements were spoken by Quaid-e-Azam. Second, we have statement number 1. The story is not as we have told it. Number 2nd is statement. Number 3rd is statement, and most of the statement. The first statement was spoken by the last son of Chris. Number 2nd is again we have the last of the boss of son of Chris. Number 3rd statement, we have same chapters, but 3rd statement, she almost told us we were nobodies. It was spoken by Baron, the owner, the head of the castle of Son of Chris. So we have 4 characters. One of them was Baron. She is pretending to be an important person. It was spoken by Baroness. And then is Baron. Number next is Baroness. Leave it open. It was spoken by the last son of Grace, Amalie. And if we discuss about this idea or this statement, it was stated, it was uttered by Baron. So these sentences, these statements were composed in the chapter. We have the voice of son of Grace. Maybe we have some words, they will be missing words, or they will miss the words. We have filling the blanks. By number of cases, we do not have filling the blanks as MCQs part. We have one statement, whether it was spoken by or spoken to, spoken about. In number of cases, we have one idea, ideology, it will be missing, and we have options. But you can memorize these. Number next is, it is an Arab custom never to eat in the house of deadly enemies. A very famous statement, almost all persons know. It was taken from the Count of Monte Cristo and Countess Mercedes. Number next, an eye for an eye, a tooth for the rule I follow. It was spoken by Monte Cristo. It was spoken to Albert. It was spoken about revenge, spoken in scene 1 we have. Second is when a man resolved to avenge himself, he should first of all tear out the heart from his breast. So it was spoken by the Count of Monte Cristo, and it was spoken to moral. Number next is it is no longer a matter of right or wrong, or false or true. Albert and to Countess of Marcel. Second is you have come back from the tomb and the tomb you shall return. It was spoken in scene 3. It was spoken by Count of Morcerf. It was spoken to Monte Cristo. Next we have, I was soon to find out how mean and heartless he was. Again, it's quite common. It was spoken by the Countess and spoken to Monte Cristo. So these all other statement, his safety will be purchased by the death of an honorable man. Countess of Morcerf and to Count of Morcerf. In some situation, we have his safety will be purchased by the death of an honorable man. Honorable man will be replaced by 3 and 4 option. You have to fill the right word. I hate you instinctively, naturally, spontaneously. It was spoken by Count of Morcerf, spoken to Monte Cristo, and spoken in scene 1. So we have one statement, 3 MCQs of the statement. In some situation, the last part will be missed, and with the 3 and 4 options. Since the young men of today will not fight, it only remains for the older one to do so. Again, we have spoken by Count of Morcerf, spoken to Monte Cristo, and speaking about Albert. Right one? And the very last is its only chance of safety lies in your generosity. So generosity means in 2018, 2017, this MCQ was present, the last word was missing, and you have to fill, means you were supposed to fill that. So these all are the statements, dialogues, or we have sentences. One is spoken by, spoken to, spoken about, spoken in, and in number of cases they will miss, the writer will miss, or the paper setter will miss one word, and you have to find out the word with 4 options. Number third type of MCQs, we have a database, number base. 70 million. 70 million is the population, the numbers, the Muslim, the total population of Pakistan at the time of independence. Second is 6.5 million and 5.5 million. So these all are the numbers. The Muslim got migration from India to Pakistan at the time of independence. So the number was 6.5 million. 5.5 million means the Muslims, the Hindus from Pakistan, they got migration. They migrated themselves from Pakistan to India, and their number was 5.5 million. Next we have 40 million. The Muslims remain in India. They didn't get migration to any country. They were 40 million. If we discuss about 194, 194 is a number that the soldier at the end of the Buckingham drill, and the female and kids, they survive. So total survivors were 194 survivors. $50, it was not the salary of the professor in my bank account. It was only the increment. It was increment means it was increased of $50. The salary of 10 million. We have one chapter UNO. In UNO we have one segment is WHO. In WHO we have different cases. One case was yaws as a hot mid climate disease. It was breaking out in Indonesia. Right? At that time, 10 million cases, 10 million people, they suffer from this disease. And then we have 11 million examined. 11% they were examined, they were treated, right? So we have a database. Second is a number of cases. Apart from the data, we have a date or numbers. 1851 and 25th February, the Buckingham drill, the tragedy of Buckingham drill occurred in 1851 and 25th February. Next we have Fortress of Yanina, 1823. 1823 is the time, date when this deal was done between the French as well as Turkish. 3 weeks, the dialogue between Quaid-e-Azam and Gandhi. So 3 week time, it was crucial. 7 times we have one poem, the twice, so 7 times the child misbehaved with the father with author. Then we have 64 kilometers, one is Buckingham drill, 64 kilometers away from the Cape Town, the tragedy occurred. So these all are the numbers you have to keep in the mind, you must study with this approach. 29 December, the last son of Grace, she died. It was the date. Data means we have numbers, we have facts, and we have a number of cases, we have date. Right one. Number 4 type is vocabulary part. Though we have a separate question for vocabulary in section B, in subsection D, and we have vocabulary part in MCQs. One is this word. It is in fact a French word. In vocabulary part, we have 3 and 4 levels. You may be given a word, you have to tell the origin of this word. The origin of this word is a French word. It was spoken by Count of Monte Cristo, speaking to Albert. The meaning of this word is goodbye. Number 6 is the real name of Beauchamp is Monsieur Beauchamp. Again, it's a French word. The meaning of this word is Mr. Next, we have known it's a German word. The chapter was the Voice of Son of Christ, a German word. The meaning of this word is off, right, in English. And apart from the origin of the words, whether these words were taken from the Greek or Latin or any other language, we have simple vocabulary or idioms. So one idiom is, and the meaning of that idiom, it is composed, it is written. Number next idiom, the meaning of this idiom is the burning issue. If you are discussing current affair, any topic that is being discussed in all over the places, we use this word. Dressed down into the mire means to decline the reputation or a social name or fame. Alright, so these all are the part of vocabulary. Maybe you have idioms, we have collocations, we have simple words. These words were taken from the language. You should mention the language also, such as the first word is originally it is a French word and it is composed in English. And so we have simple words regarding these from the poem section, or we have prose, or last is a drama section. Right one. These you will find in notes. Almost in every coaching centers they have notes, and you can find out easily. You are supposed to write down the meaning of these words. Number 5, we have reference base. This poem has been taken from the play, the name of the plays, as you like it. It was composed by William Shakespeare, and it was sung by, it was uttered by Lord Amis. We have seen as well as we have act, and location is Forest of Arden. All are the basic. Number 6, we have grammar section. In grammar section, whether we have preposition or conditional sentences, we have modal verbs, we have simple structures of tenses and passive or direct and indirect speech. She has been completing assignments since 2 hours. A very simple and easy mistake is since 2 hours. So you will replace since, you will add for. In place of since, you have to find out the mistake and you will be given the options, right, in that case. So since will be replaced by for. Number 6 is, if you invite me, I will surely attend. Condition 1, we have to structure present as well as future idea. So in place of would, would you have to remove and you should add whether will or should. She is found for reading, she is fond of reading. Simple, easy, very comprehensive. He had achieved the highest marks. The past perfect idea, but you should replace with the past simple idea. He achieved the highest marks. If you have one sentence, that is past sentence. So past perfect is never used. We have past indefinite. Right one? So if we have 2 sentences, then past perfect as well as past indefinite. Single sentence, past tense, then past perfect is never used. Number 6 is, he has got married in the last month. The last month means the past idea, and we cannot use present perfect tense. Has will be removed, and you should remove has. He is an engineer, invented 2 devices. An engineer, not we are discussing specific engineers, particular engineers, so the engineer or the engineer. And the very last is only honest doctor in the town. She is the only. We are discussing a specific doctor who is honest, so last sentence you have. The very last we have names of place and names of person. This name is a place outside the Paris. It was the place where a duel will be conducted, or duel was supposed to be conducted between Count of Monte Cristo and Albert. Now, Fortress of Vienna is a kind of a fortress, a castle or palace. It was sold by the French to Turkish. Next we have Marseilles, is a seaport in the south of the France. Next is island of Elba. We have one king. The name of the king was Napoleon Bonaparte. He was exiled to this island. Though it is not directly mentioned in the book, but indirectly you can find out. Next is Forest of Arden. In the very first poem, we have 2 groups. William Shakespeare composed this poem, and the Lord Evans, he sung the poem. And there were few persons. They were expanding their time or days in Forest of Arden to save themselves. It was a kind of security for themselves. Rio du Had is a kind of location where the Count of Monte Cristo lived, right? And we have this idea, this word, this is a place where a Count of Monte Cristo used to live and he lives. And Cape Town, we have a second chapter, maybe third chapter, the Buckingham Trail. The ship was supposed to reach, the destination was Cape Town, the capital of South Africa, and they were 64 kilometers away from this idea. Catalonia is a place in Spain. And in a play, we have one character, the name of the character is Mercedes. She used to live in Catalonia, and she was Catalan character. Right, one class. Next is we have person named Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was the king, and we have indirectly and directly mentioned in the drama. Edmond Dantes, he was sailor. The real name was the Count of Monte Cristo. And Fernand Mondego, the Count of Marseille, again sailor. Mercedes, the Countess of Marseille, and she was Catalan. And we have Mr. Montgomery, he was accountant in My Bank Account chapter. So we have different names. Baron Rothschild, it is mentioned in My Account, and he was supposed to be very rich person at that time in England. And next is Lord Mountbatten. 100 times we have discussed in Ferguson study in English, and the last viceroy of subcontinent, particularly India. This all of the MCQs part, and there are 7 types of MCQs. If you find problem, if you have any kind of issue, you are most welcome to ask question in comments, and you will be answered very soon. Thank you.